So one of the things that great literature does is it makes you think. It makes you think about who you are. It makes you think about who you want to be. It makes you think about what kind of society or culture brought about the work and what the author in her time or his time was valuing more or less at the time of the writing. Our discussion is going to be based on some of the themes of the novel, and so I have posted the discussion prompt, and so I've given you an opportunity to talk about that at a little bit more length. Please do me a favor and spend a little more time on this particular discussion, maybe a very full paragraph with some examples. You'll see when you get there what I'm talking about. But what's important in the novel is, I think, going ahead and asking hard questions about what this poses for us, particularly in the era in which we're living. It's not a dead text. It's a living text, and it's trying to speak to us. And I think what Morrison's trying to say to us is as relevant now as it was when she wrote it. Our quiz questions, we're going to have 3 quiz questions plus a bonus. Yay, bonus time. 1, what happens to Charlie physically when he is rejected by his father? 2, what does Soaphead trick Pecola into doing for him? And 3, how does Aunt Jimmy allegedly die? Now look how that's bold in italics. Allegedly die. People said she died from, allegedly died from. The bonus, what does Maginot Line do for a living? Okay, if you'll make sure you get those turned in to me at Yahoo as quick as you can, no later than Thursday at midnight, if you would, and also the same with the discussion post. Now, a word also about our final exam. On Friday, probably in the afternoon to early evening, I'll let you know which 2 quiz questions out of the 4 that are up there posted you'll be receiving for your final exam, which ones you'll need to write on. I would spend some time thinking about all 4, because you don't know which ones you're going to get. And if you want to just kind of do some doodling and thinking about them, that would be great. But you certainly want to do that. Now, next week, I'm going to post our final lecture also on particularly the poetry, Rita Dove and the other guys that we have for that. It's going to be a fairly short lecture, because I always like to make sure that the week we do our final exam in the summer, we don't have heavy reading. So I needed to do the novel before the last week of class. So if you're really, really smart and you're really on top of things, you'll do the quiz and the discussion for this. You'll do your reading for next week, and you'll start thinking about all 4 of the final exam questions, and then you'll find out on Friday evening probably which ones you can write on, and you can get started over the weekend drafting that if you'd like, and you'll be in real good shape. Okay, I'll be trying to remember that your reader response number 2 is due Friday as well, and I'll try to get the turnaround on those as quickly as I can. Hopefully I'm a little bit better, and hopefully everything at the office is working and they let me in the office for a change. That would be good. If I had an office to go to, that'd be good. So bear with me. We're in the home stretch, and if you have some questions, give me an email. Please try to email me at my Yahoo email address so I do not miss your email. Okay? Thanks very much.